The University of Idaho McCall Outdoor Science School is located on the College of Natural Resources McCall Field campus, bordering the state's premier wilderness area. Its programs present place-based and STEM learning opportunities to communities throughout Idaho.
What Moss does better than anybody else is making that connection. Why is science important? You're sitting in a classroom, you've been learning math for 5 years, and then you go to Moss and you get involved in a scientific problem where you're having to use those skills and you can see the impact.
Moss's place-based, web-based, and extension outreach programs allow them to share, teach, and work with K-12 students and teachers everywhere, forming a critical link to strengthen Idaho's STEM education opportunities. Graduate students from the College of Natural Resources teach thousands of students each year, all while continuing their own education. This creates a dynamic and mutually beneficial partnership between the K-12 community and the University of Idaho.
The curriculum has evolved tremendously to be very much place-based, to be very much driven by the creativity and imagination of the graduate students that we have here.
Students in Idaho get tested in science in 5th grade, in 7th grade, and in 9th grade. I've watched my test scores go from, I think the first year it was like 65% of my class was proficient in science. It's a pretty challenging test. And every year it has grown, and last year was the first year we actually achieved 100% proficiency. So I'm pretty proud of that. They think so much more about the world around them, and they see science and math now as something real, something useful as a tool to them.
Some of the innovations that they're working with are out there for everybody to use. So from the EPSCoR perspective, we've been deeply impressed and very pleased with the impact that Moss has had. But it's a journey, and we're very interested to see where they go next.